Hi students, welcome to 26th session. In this session we will see some problems based on the divisibility rules. Okay, so put the heading problems. In that first problem, question number 1, if the number 517 x324 is completely divisible by 3 or is divisible by 3, then the smallest whole number in place of x will be, then find the smallest whole number in place of x, okay. So the given number is 517x324. Okay, these are the digits of the number. It is completely divisible by 3. If it is divisible by 3, compulsory sum of the digits should be a multiple of 3, isn't it? That's why I am going to add the digits. 5 plus 1 plus 7 plus x plus 3 plus 2 plus 4. Okay, so x we cannot add with these numbers, that's why only the numbers I am going to add, right? 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 7 13, 13 plus 3 16, 16 plus 4 20, 20 plus 2 22, 22 plus x is as it is. Now what will be the smallest whole number in place of x such that 22 plus that number is a multiple of 3? What will be the least number? Suppose 0 if you keep. 22 plus 0, 22 comes. It is not divisible by 3. 22 plus 1, 23, not divisible by 3. 22 plus 2, 24, it is divisible by 3. So the smallest whole number in place of x is 2. Okay, so here I will write, if x is equal to 2, then 22 plus 2 is equal to 24. Therefore 24 is a multiple of 3. So x is equal to, understood? In place of x, 2 if you take, we are getting 24, which is a multiple of 3. That's why x value is 2. All of you note down this. Okay, so in a same manner, one more question we have, like divisibility rule of 9, that is, let us see that problem. If the number 481x673 is divisible by 9, then find the value of x or find the smallest whole number, find the smallest whole number in place of x. In place of x, what will be the smallest whole number to make the given number divisible by 9? So for 9 also the divisibility rule, sum of the digits only. That's why let us add those digits. 4 plus 8 plus 1 plus x plus 6 7 3. Okay, 7 plus 3 10 16 17 21 29. How much we got? 29 we got, plus x is there. Right? Now in place of x, what should be substituted in place of x to make the number divisible by 9? Suppose if you give 0, 29 comes. 29 is not a multiple of 9. In the same manner, if x value 1, 29 plus 1, 30. 30 is also not a multiple of 9. In place of x 2, if you give 29 plus 2, 31, not a multiple of 9. 3 if you give 32, not a multiple of 9. 4 if you give 33, not a multiple of 9. 5 if you give 34, not a multiple of 9. 5 if you give, 6 if you give, it will be 29 plus 6, 35, not a multiple of 9. So 7 if you give 29 plus 7, 36, it is a multiple of 9. That's why in place of x, what number should be present? 7. So if x is equal to 7, then 29 plus 7 is equal to 36. Therefore, 36 is a multiple of 9. Multiple of 9. So, what will be the x value? Smallest whole number is 7. Smallest whole number in place of x is 7. Okay. So in this manner, let us see 11th rule, based on 11th rule. Okay. Only this number will change in this type of questions. It is divisible by, this number will change. And question number 3 now. Question number 3. If the number 97215x6, 97215x6, this way, 97215x6, 8 not 5x6 is divisible by 11, then find the smallest whole number in place of x. So in place of x we have to find out. First of all, 11 divisibility rule is odd placed digits sum, even placed digits sum, we have to take difference. That's why I am going to add first, third, fifth, 7th digits. The first digit is 9, third digit 2, fifth digit 5, 7th digit 6. These are the digits in the odd places. In a same manner, even places. Second place 7, fourth place 1, sixth place x. These are the digits. Now if you add, here we will get 15 plus 5 20, 22. This is 22 and this is 8 plus x. Now the difference of both the sums, difference is equal to 22 minus 8 plus x. Now with minus we have, that's why 22 minus 8 minus x we will get. Understood? 8 plus x becomes minus 8 minus x, because before this we have minus symbol. So 22 minus 8 is 14, isn't it? Minus x. Now in place of x, what number should be present to make the result divisible by 11? If you put 0, 14 comes. 14 is not a multiple of 11. 1 if you keep, 14 minus 1, 13. 13 is not a multiple of 11. 2 if you keep, 14 minus 2, 12. 12 also not a multiple of 11. Next 3 if you keep, 14 minus 3, 11. 11 is a multiple of 11. That's why if x is equal to 3, then 14 minus 3 is equal to 11. Therefore, 11 is a multiple of 11. So, x value is 3. So, x value is 3. So, this is the way of finding the x value if the number is divisible by 11. Odd placed digits I have added, even placed digits also added, and took the difference of both. We got 14 minus x. So in place of x, if you put 3, then we will get 11, which is multiple of 11. That's why x value is 3. Is it clear? Okay. So now let us see one more problem, which is somewhat different from these all problems. So now let us see the next question, fourth question. In this question, which of the following numbers is completely divisible by 45? Which of the following numbers is completely divisible by 45? So 45 divisibility rule we didn't discuss, but we can make the co-prime factors. The co-prime factors for 45 are 5 and 9. If a number is divisible by both 5 and 9, then automatically it is divisible by 45. Okay, so here I will write the reason, the condition I will write first. If a number is divisible by, both 5 and 9, then it is divisible by 45. Okay, so 5 divisibility rule we should check, and 9 divisibility rule also we have to check. So in the first number is 181560. Units place is 0, so of course that number is divisible by 5. Next we have to check the sum of digits only. 1 plus 8 plus 1 plus 5 plus 6 plus 0 is equal to how much? 6, 7, 12, 20, 21. 21 this is. So which is not a multiple of 9. Understood? So it is divisible by 5 but not by 9, isn't it? Therefore, it is divisible by 5 but not by 9, isn't it? Now let us see second option, that is 3, 3, 1, 1, 4, 5. So in this units place is 5. So it is divisible by 5. Let us check for 9. 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus 1 plus 4 plus 5. Okay, 3 plus 3 9, 10, 11, 15, 20. 20 is not a multiple of 9. Therefore, it is divisible by 5 but not by 9. But not by 9. Now let us see the third number, that is 202560. Here also units place is 0, so it is divisible by 5. But it is divisible by 9 or not? Let us check. 2 plus 0 plus 2 plus 5 plus 6 plus 0 is equal to 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 6 15. Okay, so therefore it is divisible by 5 but not by 9. And coming to the last number, that is 20335550. Here also units place is 0, which is divisible by 5. Let us check for 9. 2 plus 0 plus 3 plus 3 plus 5 plus 5 plus 0. 5 plus 5 10, 13, 16, 18. 18, which is a multiple of 9. Therefore, it is divisible by both 5 and 9. It is divisible by both 5 and 9. So, it is divisible by 45. Understood? So we have to check for 5 and 9. The last number is divisible by both 5 and 9. That's why automatically it is divisible by 45. So all of you enter this solution also. Okay. Next, question number 5. Question number 5. Which of the following numbers are divisible by 8? Or which of the following numbers is divisible by 8? Is divisible by 8. Some numbers are given here. Let us see. The first number 95,624. Second number 842128. And the third number 658134. And the last number is 532154. These are the given numbers. We have to check the divisibility rule of 8. Okay. So first number, if you take option A 95624, the divisibility rule of 8 is last 3 digits should be divisible by 8, isn't it? So 624 is there. Is it divisible by 8 or not? We have to check. 624 in rough I am checking. 8 sevens are 56, 64 comes. Okay, 8 eights are 64. Remainder 0. So it is exactly divisible by 8. Coming to this one, second number. Last three digit numbers are 128. 8 ones are 8, 4, 48. 8 six are 48. So second number also divisible. Coming to the last third one, 134. 8 ones, 8, 54. 13 minus 8 is 54. Right, that is 5 and 4, 54. 8 sevens, 56, which is not divisible by 8. Next 154 is there. Divide by 8. 8 ones are 8. 5 and 2, 7. 74. 74 is not a multiple of 8. That's why first and second numbers are divisible by 8. So how to write the answer? See. Nine, 5, 6, 2, 4 is given. Here I am writing the reason. Since 624 is a multiple of 8, 624 is a multiple of 8, the given number is divisible by 8. The given number is divisible by 8. Next, B. For B also same. 8, 4, 2, 1, 2, 8 is given. Since 128 is a multiple of 8, 128 is a multiple of 8, the given number is divisible by 8. The given number is divisible by 8. The given number is divisible by 8. Okay. So in C and D, C is 6, 5, 8, 1, 3, 4 and D is 5, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4. In both, in C and D, the last three digits, are not divisible by 8. Not divisible by 8. So they are not divisible by 8. That's it. So in more than this, if you want to write option C separately, you have to take last since 134 is not divisible by, is not a multiple of 8, the given number is not divisible by 8. Like that you can write. And for D, since 154 is not a multiple of 8, the given number is not divisible by 8. Like that we can write. Okay, enter this also. Right. So in this way we have some problems, and those problems also I will send you in the homework book today. So complete those problems in the homework book. These questions, these solutions you have to enter in your class book, right? So we will meet tomorrow with the remaining concept. Thank you.